Hey tubers, just a little tip for you. I'm under my truck. You're looking at the leaky transmission coolant line, and it's leaking right from over here, right on top of where you see red liquid is coming down from. And I thought about replacing it, but I'm gonna tackle it a little different way. I will actually fix it. This is a piece of a hose right here that I cut. Nothing to it. This gets slided right over the hole. I already know where that is. Clamp goes right over it, like so. And all you have to do is just tighten the hell out of it, and it will hold. There you go. Little tips and tricks. Next time. See ya.